step one, warm it up a little bit.
30 seconds or something, so it flows out nicely.
You grab your 14mm wrench. This is probably the best socket setup. Find the plug, which is in one of these holes on the bottom of it, and it's going to be on the left side, so it's right there. And then get the plug out. So you just pop these two bolts on the right side, and these are going to be 8mm. It's also pretty good if you pop the fill cap to let it, oh shoot, got that piece off. Oil's flowing out. I'm gonna just let it flow out, and I'm just gonna pop this cap open too to let everything flow nicely. Plus I'm gonna need it open anyways. Now that the oil filter area is drained out, I'm gonna put this back in. Right there it says this side toward engine, and then the spring is in that side. Just put it right back in there, and then put this cap back on. Now that it's pretty much drained out, I'm gonna put the oil plug back in. If you forget which one it is, just put your finger up there. You could get it started with your hand and just finish it with the socket. Okay. Alright, that's pretty tight. Alright, so it's time to fill it back up, and I'm gonna go with 0.9 liters or 900 cc's on this ratio right cup. And there's pretty much mixed opinion on how much to put. I think the manual says 850, and most people say the standard is more like 1 liter. So I bet 1 liter fills it all the way up, and 850 is like the perfect amount. And I'm gonna go 0.9 and just see how it looks on the glass. I think it should be good.